What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles with a 2013 Holiday. I am a big fan of the Ultra Limited. Great bikes. They have all the cool creature comforts you could ask for. He did everything. He did this, he did that. He did tires, he did engine, he did speakers, he did everything. No, I'm just joking. Alright guys, let's take this thing for a spin. Let's do it. It's 2013. So this is the last bike before the Rushmore bikes. This is going to be rocking the 103 cubic inch, which is a really solid motor. This bike only has 5,000 miles on it. How is that possible? You can see it was all set up for heated gear and GPS or whatever that is, and so let's do it. Alright guys, words of wisdom. Proverbs 20:20. He who curses his father and mother, he who curses his father or mother, his lamp will go out in the time of darkness. Proverbs and the Bible in general talks a lot about honoring your father and mother. Now sometimes that's not easy, but the Bible also says you will live a longer life, and it's just good for you, you know. In most cases, your parents want the best for you. Even if you have crappy parents, like they're the worst. If you're a teenager, you might be saying that, but they might not be that bad. They could be. Even if you have crappy parents, there's still a way that you can honor your father and mother without, you know, letting them bring you down. Guys, as a sport bike rider, as a guy who most of my time riding, I was not a Harley guy. It wasn't until I started this dealership and I started getting Harleys and I started riding them, and I was like, whoa, okay, this is a little different. And I was very anti-Harley. You know, I thought, like, I believed all the nonsense that people were telling me. Oh, Harleys are drunk or they vibrate themselves apart, and that's not true. So as a sport bike rider, someone who normally thought that motorcycles are about going fast. They're about going fast and performance. Motorcycles are the Ferraris of the two-wheel category. And I realized that that's not true. Sport bikes are the Ferraris of the two-wheel category. But then you can be on two wheels and not have to go fast, but still have tons of fun. It's more of just the lifestyle, you know, all the benefits you get from being on two wheels. And so from being a big time Harley hater, now I really like Harleys. I have a couple in my own collection, you know. I think Harley makes a great motorcycle. I don't know of anyone who sold more Harleys with 6 figures on the odometer than I have. One of my personal Harleys has 117,000 miles on it. It still runs great. I love the paints. I love the paint colors that they put on Harleys. They're so awesome. They put so much time and energy and detail in these really awesome paint colors. But when you're riding it, you know, it's nice to be part of something. You know, be part of the Harley thing. You know, Harley Davidson is made in America. As of right now, I'm not going to get into what's going on in the news because I just don't pay attention. Now, are they quick? Yeah, they're pretty quick. Let me show you. It's quick enough to get you out of trouble. It's quick enough to get you out of trouble and get you into trouble. Oh, get you into trouble. So when it comes to a bike like this, you jump on a sport bike because you want to go fast and you want to just go fast and kill yourself. You ride a bike like this because It's comfortable, it sounds good, it looks good, it's a big manly masculine bike, and you get to enjoy something different. You cannot have fun riding a sport bike going the speed limit. With a motorcycle that can do 80 miles an hour in first gear, you literally cannot go, you can't even tap out, you can't even tack out first gear legally in the States. They're only fun when they're fast. They're only fun when you're going really fast. And it's like that little guy on your shoulder saying, come on man, go faster. Come on. You know? And this is after you're going 150 miles an hour. It's like, go faster. And you're like, oh, okay. When you're riding a Harley Davidson or a bike like this, okay, when you're riding a Harley Davidson, especially like the Ultra Classic or the Ultra Limited, you know, the FLH line, you don't have to go fast. I got so much mustache hair in my mouth. You don't have to go fast. You can cruise. You can go the speed limit. You can go under the speed limit and still be having a great time. It's also a bike that can be very comfortable year round. It is a very hot day out. I'm comfortable, mainly because my handlebar is a little bit higher, and these are a little bit taller bars, and they are perfect. They're a perfect height, great modification. They're just over these fairings, so if it was cold outside, I would definitely want to wear gloves, but I'm getting some good feeling under the fairings, little wind coming up my jacket. It feels great. I think I might prefer a lower windshield with a vent on there would be nice, but those lower fairings really help down here when it's cold. This is a bike that's tons of fun when it's cold, when it's hot. There's actually vents down there you can open up and close. So these things can be year-round bikes, and you could also be, you know, 700, 800 miles. They call it the Iron Butt Challenge. I think it's what they call it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know you will, guys. And on a bike like this, it's not that much of a challenge. You just got to drink a lot of coffee and stay awake. You know, it's a comfortable bike. It just changes. It takes riding motorcycle from being like that thing that you're like on big trips. You're like, I'm overcoming it, to being like, it's actually fun. It was enjoyable. I was comfortable. You got your radio, you got your cruise control, you got your air condition. No, that's like an accessories button. That's for if you want to like add something else to it. Maybe it is air condition. Air conditioned central. Guys, if you're riding a bike in the winter time, this is the control for the heated grips. Heated grips and heated seats are amazing. It really changes the way that you ride bikes and you think about bikes. Awesomest thing you can do. Really, it's great to have. If you already have a bike and don't have heated grips, you can put that on fairly easily. And I think you can do a heated seat fairly easily. You just take the fabric off the seat, put an element in there, plug it into your battery, put a switch on it. Not a huge deal, but it's also nice to buy one that already has it. Guys, this bike has low miles. This will be for sale on the Srkcycles website. Check out the website. If you're looking to transport your bike, use tank straps because it's just a smart thing to do. Alright guys, that wraps it up. This bike is awesome and is crushing it. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. What's up guys, I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. We're